Welcome to another video by School of RPA. And here today we are going to talk about factors driving growth in hyper automation. I am Abhinav Sabharwal. In this video, we will cover introduction, drivers of growth, potential use cases, and benefits of hyper automation. Market for hyper automation enabling technologies will reach $596 billion by 2022, which will be up nearly 24% from the $481.6 billion in 2020. Significant growth for the technology that enables organizations to rapidly identify, vet, and automate as many processes as possible. This will become a condition of survival for the enterprises. Hyper-automation enabling technologies include robotic process automation, low-code application platforms, and AI and virtual assistants. As organizations look for ways to automate the digitization and structuring of data and content, technologies that automate content in decisions such as signature verification tools, optical character recognition, document ingestion, conversational AI, and natural language technology will be in high demand. For example, these tools could be used to automate the process of digitizing and sorting paper records. Drivers of growth. Process agnostic tools such as RPA, LCAP, and AI will drive the hyperautomation trends because organizations can use them across multiple use cases. Even though they contribute a small part of the overall market, their impact will be significant, with the projection of 54% growth in these processes agnostic tools. Though 2024, the drive towards the hyperautomation will lead organizations to adopt at least 3 out of 20 processes agnostic types of software that enable hyperautomation. The demand for low-code tool is already high, as skill-strapped IT organizations look for ways to move simple development projects over business users. It is predicted 3/4 of the large enterprises would use at least 4 low-code development tools by 2024, and that the low-code would make up more than 65% of the application development activity. Software automating specific tasks such as enterprise planning, supply chain management, and customer relationship management will also contribute to market growth. Potential use cases. Hyperautomation extends the idea of intelligent automation as it promises end-to-end process automation with minimal human intervention required. The convergence of intelligent process automation technologies and cloud computing, along with the need to process unstructured content, helps make the case for hyperautomation across several industries, including shared services, hospitality, logistics, and real estate. Some day-to-day examples of automation include self-driving cars, self-checkouts at grocery stores, smart home assistants, and appliances. Business use cases include applying data and machine learning to build predictive analytics that react to consumer behavior changes and implementing RPA to streamline operations on a manufacturing flow. Benefits of hyperautomation. Tools that provide visibility to map business activities, automate and manage content ingestion, orchestrate work across multiple systems, and provide complex tool engines make up fastest growing category of hyperautomation enabling software. Organizations will be able to lower operational cost by 30% by combining hyperautomation technologies with the redesigned operational processes. Hyperautomation has shifted from an option to a condition of survival. Organizations will require more IT and business processes automation as they are forced to accelerate digital transformation plans in post-COVID-19 digital first world. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you have any questions or you want to connect with me, just put your stuff in comment section below, and I usually respond within 24 hours. Thank you.